So here we have the C8 lifted. So we're gonna go over the installation for the sides and the front. We already did the installation for the rear, and the part number for that one is BC102106. And the installation is fairly simple as well for the sides and the front. The sides comes pre-drilled, and you pretty much have to reuse your factory bolts, and it will bolt right in. You can always add extra bolts to add extra support, but once again, it's fairly simple, nothing too complicated. As for the front, same thing applies. Everything comes pre-drilled, as you guys can see here. You just have to reuse your factory bolts, and of course we add extra hardware as well. And once again, it's fairly simple, especially if you have a lift like we do here. Everything bolts right in. And as for the installation goes, it should take you for roughly about maybe 45 to an hour and a half. As you can see here, the Vicrez Aero package definitely enhances the body lines of your C8 and adds that extra aggressiveness. This particular kit is sold as a set and also separately. Part number for the sides is BC101672 and part number for the front is BC101671. This particular kit was done in surface finish carbon flash metallic, along with a color edge trim. The original color of the C8 is red, so once we go back to it, it's definitely gonna look even better. As for the installation goes, once again it's fairly simple. Should take it roughly anywhere between 45 to an hour. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time.